check for the beach today. So basically why am I so close to the camera? Top from Shein, skirt from Shein. Why do I look you feel like a Shein audio? Because everything I'm wearing is from Shein.
Come down here.
What's good, vlog? We're going to the beach now. Check you there.
Get down from there.
It's like that. It's coming to you.
Yeah. It's gonna come for that boy next, bro.
It's like a fucking
Nice to
I like that mom. Respect. She's chasing away the ops.
The ops. Let's go save him, bro. Let's go save him.
I'm actually so scared, Ruby. I don't want to go in.
Why did you go with Lily then?
No, that doesn't make anything better. Kelly, is your pants wet? No, I'm not going.
Wait.
Yeah. Well, then don't touch that.
Thank you so much. I'm gonna fuck up these scarves.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, that looks so
I'm
good.
gonna hold this thing for us.
Okay.
The icing looks like melted shanty.
And then one's going for each as well.
Yeah.
Lovely.
Let's chop. Oh, let's chop.
Sorry.
One where your eyes are closed.
Oh,
No,
you
yours. I didn't look at mine yet. I was gonna get there.
Yeah, I think you should go look at yours.
Now.
Yeah, because if we come back, then I can just take another one.
I'm actually so scared of it. Guys, fun fact, I've actually come here before with a different group of friends. It's actually so weird. I came here last year with a totally different group of friends, and now I'm coming here this year with a totally different group of friends. It's nice. Yeah. Someone just left this blankets here. Maybe it fell. But like, I'm vlogging because I'm actually so scared of heights, guys. It's not high, but like it's a bridge. And it's giving, Mama, I'm scared. We're going that side. Oh, la 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 la. Can't even sing because freaking YouTube will take down my video if I even mumble a song. I feel like I didn't feel the first, since I've actually don't have a lot of videos, but the first time that I felt like an actual YouTuber was when YouTube removed my video for copyright. I was like, okay, so this is the experience of how it feels to be a YouTuber. My video got removed. Actually pretty sad because all that hard work I put into editing got taken down immediately, which is kind of sad. But yeah, anyways guys, I'm at the beach. Let's take off the shoes because this is about to be a bumpy ride. I don't know why I said that, but yeah, this is so nice. So now I'm coming here this time with a new group of friends, and it's gonna be fun. Oh my gosh, it's so cold. It's so cold.
What's good, Dan?
Yeah, it's a nice shot.
Welcome to the vlog.
Guys, I don't know what the time is, but let's we got back from the beach actually quite a while ago, but yeah, because our plan was when we were at the beach to buy some food, but like there wasn't not much, like there wasn't any place for us to buy, so we just didn't eat. We didn't eat our stuff, so basically we came back home and now we're just buying it over here. So let's go over to Sugar House to see what I can literally see smoke. That does not look good, guys. Does that? Oh, it actually looks like a rye. So maybe that's good. But let's take a walk over to Sugar House, guys, to go witness this spectacular thing. Maybe it's good, maybe it's bad.
I'm also gonna say that though. Because
Guys!
Well, we don't even have glass. Nothing there.
it's already on fire.
It's not on fire. What are you talking about?
Are you sorting yourself out there, Caleb? Okay. Okay, DJ Caleb. One day we're gonna see him at Texas, and then and then he's gonna be rocking it.
Be on the DJ booth with me.
You better invite us.
Yeah, you have to invite
I'll
us.
get you guys on the guest list.
Imagine remixing this.
Well done, well done, well done. Check it out, come on now. Don't play with me. Don't play with me.
Go on, my chef. Okay, sir.
You are, don't play with me. It's fine, those aren't cooking, those are still a while. Yo! Check how good that is. You're welcome. Bon appetit, people. Yo!
Yo, look at that photo.
Chef Lily! Chef Lily, seasoned to perfection.
The whole time, the smart fader wasn't on the DJ deck, so the fades weren't working properly, but I'm gonna cook now.
What is Bryce saying?
But I was yapping. Guys, Tommy just got day 2.
Swim in the pool.
You have to jump.
I'm about to jump.
Oh, fuck.
Dang. Oh, I know the song. Yo, that's crazy. After you showered, bro. I'd say no. Ew. And you have sauce like all over your like mustache too.
Touch him, I didn't touch him.
already took a shower.
She took a shower today.
2 times already.
Yeah, wash my in the shower.
Yeah, you want
Yeah.
Yes, it's me compared to Taz like an absolute joke.
It's the before time and after time.
Leon wants to sleep.
I did get a little bit of a burn. My arms are fucking red.
You, Leon, stop making that face.
You were smiling.
I was but I was like just about to
Okay, do you want me to do it again?
Ui,